I recently came across this new channel that has racked up over 16 million views and 196,000 subscribers within just 12 months. These videos are very easy to make, and I have come up with some sub-niches which fall into this niche. This will easily help you go viral, because this niche has low competition, and you don't have to copy exactly this channel. If you are wondering what this niche is about, they are making music videos, but not typical relaxing music, where there is an image background and some nature music. These are next-level music videos with a medieval tone. Today I'm going to show you how to make videos like this and start your own YouTube channel with the power of a new AI tool. So let's start. First, let's talk about the other subcategories I just mentioned. The first one is medieval music, which is similar to this channel. Then we can do concentration music, which can be used for focusing and studying. Then we have nostalgic music. The next one is relaxing opera music. This falls under classic era music. These are just some of the categories. There's a huge audience around this niche, so you don't have to worry about getting views. Let's make videos for a few of these subcategories. For the music creation, I'm going to use an AI tool called Templar AI. This tool has more than 200,000 royalty-free music tracks that you can use for your videos without any copyright issues. Not only that, but you can generate music from text, images, and videos, so basically you don't have to worry about any copyright issues because we are going to be using AI-generated music for our videos. Let's say we selected the medieval music niche as the first example. First, you need to sign up for this tool. You can use the link in the description for that. Once you sign up, this is the dashboard that we will be using to make music for our YouTube channel. If you type cinematic medieval music in the prompt box and search for it, you will be able to find royalty-free music tracks for these specific keywords. These are AI-generated music. These results are from the keywords you searched for. You can basically use this music for any type of YouTube video. This is really good. Now you can download this AI music and use it in your video. As you can see in the example channel, their titles are unique and it gives the vibe of a medieval tone. Therefore, we need to generate titles with those characteristics. Let's go to ChatGPT and generate such titles for these videos. I've created this prompt for that, and you can also get these prompts from the description. Now we have 20 titles for this new channel. Now let's go to Leonardo AI and generate some images as visuals, and then we need to animate them as well. First, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate some detailed prompts for these images. For that, I have given these instructions to ChatGPT as a prompt. So whenever I give some small details about the image I want, ChatGPT will convert it into a highly detailed prompt. As you can see here, I only provided a small description of the image I wanted, and I got a highly detailed prompt. Now I'm going to go back to Leonardo AI and generate these images. Okay, let's paste the prompt and make sure to select this 16:9 ratio as the size of the images. As you can see here, we have some amazing images to represent these videos. Now you can ask ChatGPT to generate some prompt variations for the same prompt and generate several images similar to this. Now it's time to animate these images by going to an AI tool called Halo and Kling AI. Head over to Halo and click Create Video. You will be brought to this page where you drag your image, which you would like to animate. Next, click on this video camera icon and choose which camera control you would like. I like the right circling one, and after that, write any prompt you would like the video to be. For example, make the fire moving blazing fire. This will instruct the AI on how you would like your video to turn out. Let's check the results of our videos. Looks great to me. Now on to our next step is using a video editor like CapCut. To put together the background music and the video clips, there is not much editing. Just add the video clips, add in some transitions, and make it a loop. You will only need about 10 clips for this. Here's our first video. This is amazing. Now I'm going to show you how to make a relaxing video for focusing and studying. Let's go back to Templar AI again and generate AI music, which we'll use in our video. Type in the prompt box, nostalgic and relaxing music, then hit generate. You will be brought to this page, which will take a few seconds to generate our music. Our music has now been generated. Let's listen to them.
The moonlight whispers across the miles, our hearts still yearn.
I like this one, so I will hit download to save it to my computer. Now head back over to Leonardo AI and create stunning images like these ones and repeat the same process like before animating and editing via CapCut. Here is the final output.
Templar.
Across the...
And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions regarding this niche, make sure to drop a comment, and I wish you the best of luck. I will see you guys in the next video.